Good morning to all. Today I am going to start the chapter name is Inverse Trigonometric Function for class 12. This chapter belongs to class ISC board, CBSE board or any class 12 any board. Okay. Just to see inverse trigonometric function I am teaching from the book ISC board, that is ML Agarwal book. Very important books. Okay. Let x is equal to sin theta. As you know, trigonometric function, sin theta is a trigonometrical function T ratio. Let us assume sin theta value is x. Okay. Whenever you are taking sin theta value as x, as you know, sin theta is a ratio perpendicular. Let that be x. Then theta will be how much? Theta will be sin inverse x. This is the concept applied here. Whenever we are taking, let sin theta is equal to x, then theta will be how much? Sin inverse x. Okay, this is the concept. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. Now, just to see, theta is equal to sin inverse x. I can write x is equal to sin theta. So, what is the conclusion you are getting here? Sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. Similarly, cos inverse cos theta also equal to theta. So, here one relation I am getting here. Just to see, tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. Cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta. Because you have to see from here I applied here. From the beginning you have to thoroughly practice. Whenever you will take sin theta is equal to x, then theta will be sin inverse x. This is the inverse trigonometric function. Then theta is equal to sin inverse x means what? Sin theta. That is replacing x by sin theta, that is sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta. Very interesting chapter, inverse trigonometric function. Then theta is equal to cos inverse cos theta. Similarly, I can write there are T ratio. How many T ratio is there? 6 T ratio. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. Same process you can write here. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. Cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta. Sec inverse sec theta is equal to theta. Cot inverse cot theta also equal to theta. Now, x is equal to sin theta already I have taken from the beginning. I can write here x is equal to sin. What is theta? Sin inverse x. That means sin of sin inverse x equal to x. So here same process I can apply here. Cos of cos inverse x also x. Tan of tan inverse x also x. Okay. Cosec cosec inverse x also x. Sec sec inverse x also x. Cot cot inverse x also equal to x. In this way there are 6 plus 6 12 formula derived by the help of inverse trigonometric function. Next I am going, let x equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. If you know sin theta value is x, then cos theta I can find by applying 1 minus sin square theta root over, which is equal to 1 minus x square root over. Then theta will be how much? Cos inverse 1 minus x square. Just follow the process of changing. Okay. Theta means what? Sin inverse x. Already written here, sin inverse x. Now, sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x. This is also new formula derived. So, what is the formula here? Sin inverse x equal to cos inverse how much? Now, 1 minus x square. This x, it will be 1 minus x square root over. Let us go next one. Reciprocal relation. That is cosec theta is equal to how much? This is the reciprocal relation from the trigonometrical chapter. 1 by sin theta means 1 by x. I have taken sin theta as x. Then theta will be how much? Cosec inverse 1 by x. So, what is the conclusion here? Theta means what? Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is equal to cosec inverse how much? Now 1 by x. There are so many formulas deriving from the chapter inverse trigonometric function. Let us go next one. Next you know tan theta, that is quotient relation from the trigonometrical chapter. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cos sin theta I have taken as x, and cos theta will be how much? 1 minus sin square, that is 1 minus x square root over. Therefore, theta will be how much? This tan will go, that means tan theta is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square root over. What is theta? That is sin inverse x. That means this is one derivation. Sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square root over. This is a simple formula derived by the help of trigonometrical ratio. Sin inverse x is equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square. Next go to find cos theta. As you know, cos theta formula is what? Cos theta by sin theta. That is also quotient relation from the trigonometry chapter. Cos theta is 1 minus x square root over sin theta is x. Now theta will be how much? This cot will go that side, will be cot inverse 1 minus x square root over by x. Theta is what? From the beginning I am taken, theta is sin inverse x. Therefore, sin inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 minus x square root over by. This is also one type of transformation formula. Sin inverse to cot inverse x, sin inverse to tan inverse x. Okay, so many derivation I am showing, from sin inverse x to tan inverse x to cot inverse, sin inverse to cos inverse, sin inverse to cosec inverse. Okay, now go to sec. What is sec theta? That is the reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Means 1 by 1 minus sin square root over. Okay, as you know the square relation of trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How much you are getting? 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Now sec theta is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square root over. What is sec theta? This one. Then theta will be how much? Sec inverse 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Now theta is what? Sin inverse x. You can apply here sin theta is equal to sin inverse x, and that means this is the conversion formula, sin inverse x to sec inverse 1 by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, this is one derivation, sin inverse x to sec inverse 1 by 1 minus. This is the one derivation. Question can come prove this. Okay, I am directly deriving the so many formula related inverse unit function by the help of trigonometrical ratio chapter. So what is the final conclusion today? Just I am discussing sin inverse x is equal to cosec inverse 1 by x, sec inverse 1 by 1 minus x square equal to tan inverse x by 1 minus x square root over, and equal to cot inverse 1 minus x root over by x, and also cos inverse 1 minus x root over. Here the change from sin inverse to cosec inverse, sin inverse x to sec inverse, sin inverse to tan inverse, sin inverse to cot inverse, sin inverse to cos inverse. So many derivation I am showing today. Okay, next day I will do more. Just try to memorize how much discussed today. The chapter inverse trigonometry chapter for your ISC board book, Emil Agarwal. Okay, whatever the books may be, the formula is same everywhere, but main thing you have to memorize the formula required for the proving part, finding the value of these things from the exercise. Or before going to exercise, let us complete all the theorems, all the formula derivation. Okay, thank you for today class. Next I will do more sums.